Traders, at some point in your trading career, you have used an indicator. Maybe you used moving averages, maybe you used fib levels, maybe you used MACD, RSI, Hikadashi candles. There are so many indicators, but the best indicator there is a structure break. There is no better indicator, guys, right? So stay to the end of the vid and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So let's take yesterday's trades. This was a perfect example of a structure break, right? Now, this was Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar buy. This was my entry, stop loss, take profit, and you can see the trade hit target, right? And this was a structure break trade. That's all it was. It was as simple as that. So let's remove this and take a look at the chart, guys, right? So if we just understand the trade from yesterday. So as you can see, price has been bouncing off this trend line. All right, and you can see here it bounced off this trend line again. And basically price has been doing this, right? So the idea is to potentially take it back up to here, right? So we was at a trend line and we got a very bullish reaction in terms of the candlestick at this trend line, right? So my, bias is to buy this pair. Okay, so that was my trend direction. Now, if we drop down to the H4, I'm going to show you exactly where I entered. So I'm going to go back in time and I'm going to explain why a structure break is so good in terms of using it for an indicator, right? So this is the H4. Okay, so price has come down. You can see we're in a H4 downtrend, right? And we are back at these last highs on the H4. Okay, we are firmly in a downtrend, right? We're at the moving average 20. Okay, so if there are any sellers, they're going to be in here. Okay, so sellers at this point want to push price down on this H4, right? Sellers are seeing a downtrend, area of resistance. They're looking to sell it, okay? Now, imagine sellers if we break this level, right? If we get a big bullish candle that breaks through this level, sellers will give up. Sellers are like, right, this level is not holding. I don't want anything to do with this trade. Yeah, my idea was wrong. Buyers are in control. Buyers will take it higher. And that is the simple psychology behind a structure break, right? Either buyers or sellers give up. Yeah, and in this case, sellers will give up. Okay, so if we just play this along one candle, right, at this point, sellers are like, right, not interested. Buyers are in control. We've got a nice bullish candle, okay, and I'm not interested in selling this anymore. We have had a structure break. We are now in a H4 uptrend because we have higher highs. And that was my entry, guys. I waited for a slight retrace down to 0961, right? Just got in literally here, put my stop below here, and then took price back up to this 1000 psychological level right here, guys. All right, because this was the next area of resistance. And it was simple as that, guys. So wait for a structure break. If I want to buy this market, I wait for a structure break and then I get into the trade. As simple as that. And what I'd really like to know, guys, is what indicators you use, right? What indicators do you use, or do you just use good old-fashioned price action like I've just shown you here? So please leave a comment telling us what you use, guys, all right? But that's not all for today. I am now going to give you my trade ideas, right? There's more. And my trade ideas for today, okay, are built on pound weakness, okay? So the catalyst for today is pound weakness. My motherland currency is weak right now. Well, for today, guys, right, I'm an intraday trader, so pound is weak for today. I am interested in therefore selling pound. right? So let's take a look at our first trade idea, and it is pound Aussie dollar. Now, before we look at this in detail, guys, if I could please ask everyone to subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and please smash the like button. Yeah, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, guys, if you would like to join our trading community, speak to traders, share ideas and knowledge, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, and you would like access to my trade signals, access to my tutorials and strategies, and direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And also right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get discounts and free access to these things. So check it all out. It's all in the video description. Also, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me. Right, first trade idea for today is this, is pound Aussie dollar, and we are looking to sell it, yeah, because we are interested in pound weakness. So why are we looking to sell it? Well, as I said before, there's no better, right, indicator than a structure break. And that's what we've had. As soon as we break these lows in here, we have had a structure break, okay? All right, so as you can see, we was in this uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, stopped making higher highs, right? Bit of a red flag, and then price broke down, breaking these lows. We had a nice big bearish candle that broke these lows, and we have a bit of room to move into back down to this next level of support. Okay, so this is my target, this 9,360. So there's my direction and target. Now we're going to look for an entry. So if we drop to the H4, you can clearly see we've got this really nice level through here, right? It was once support, yeah. So when price retraces into this level, we know this could be a really nice area for sells. Moving average 20 comes round, right? We get a bearish reaction in here. We can start selling back down to this area here. What might happen, guys, we might not get the retrace, right? Price might just come down. Okay, if it does, no problem, right? I have no FOMO, fear of missing out. Okay, but we want to see a retrace first, then it comes down. So that's my first trade idea. My second trade idea is also pound weakness, and it's pound Canadian dollar, right? If we look at the day chart, again, look how powerful a structure break is, right? Price was in this uptrend, right? And then bang, we broke. This candle here actually broke structure. So we was in a downtrend at this point, okay? Then price retraced, and then you can see price has come hurtling down, all right? So we're clearly in a downtrend. We've got a nice big bearish candle, and all I want to do is take it to the next psychological level. Right, so 7,450 or even 7,400, these levels here. Again, the big question will be, will we get a retrace to come lower, or will price just do this? We shall see. If we drop down to the H4, I just want to retrace, right? Whether it retraces all the way to here is probably unlikely, okay? Right, because that has to really retrace, you know, before we come lower. And we've got such a bearish daily candle, this probably won't happen. So what I will consider is this, maybe if the moving average 20 continues down and we just retrace to this area, okay, we get a bearish reaction, and then I'll start selling down to these lows. All right, guys. So yeah, pound Aussie dollar, pound Canadian dollar sells for today. And if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash that like button. And don't forget to join us for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. I'll see you then, guys.